Hey there, garden enthusiasts! Ever had a bunch of beautiful cut roses start to wilt and droop, leaving you feeling like all hope is lost? Well, don't toss those roses just yet. I've got a fantastic DIY gardening hack to revive your blooms and bring them back to life. First things first, why should you bother saving your roses? It's not just about aesthetics, although, let's be honest, they do look stunning. Reviving your roses is an eco-friendly approach, minimizing waste and promoting a greener lifestyle. Plus, it's budget smart. Why spend more money on new flowers when you can extend the life of the ones you already have? And of course, there's the emotional value. Roses from special occasions or seasonal treats carry beautiful memories that deserve another chance. So why do roses wilt in the first place? Well, it boils down to three main reasons: dehydration, stem blockage, and environmental stress. Knowing these factors sets the stage for our ultimate revival method. Alright, let's get into the step-by-step process to revive your roses. Step 1. Prepare a clean rehydration station. Fill a clean container or sink with lukewarm water. Fresh water is key to removing any bacteria that might be blocking water uptake. Adding a small amount of natural flower food or a pinch of sugar can encourage hydration. Step 2. Gently remove the roses from their current vase. Handle them carefully to avoid further damage. Step 3. Recut the stems. Using clean garden shears or sharp scissors, trim about 1 inch from the bottom of each stem. Make the cut at a 45-degree angle to maximize the surface area for water absorption. Step 4. Rehydrate the blooms. Submerge the freshly trimmed stems in the lukewarm water. Let them soak for 30 to 60 minutes to absorb as much water as possible. This conditioning step is crucial for reviving drooping petals and stiff stems. Step 5. Arrange the roses in a clean vase. Wash the vase thoroughly to eliminate any lingering bacteria. Fill it with room temperature water, adding any flower preservative if available. Place the rehydrated roses into the vase, ensuring no leaves are submerged. Leaves and water can rot and promote bacterial growth. Step 6. Choose the right spot. Display your revived roses in a cool, shaded area away from direct sunlight or drafts. A stable, moderate temperature will help maintain their refreshed appearance for longer. For extra tips, remember to change the vase water every 2 days. Always use a clean vase. Avoid placing your roses near ripening fruits, and gently recut the stems every few days. By reviving your roses instead of discarding them, you're not only saving money but also embracing sustainable gardening practices. This simple hack demonstrates that with a little extra effort, you can transform your garden care routine into something more eco-friendly and economically savvy. So next time your roses start to wilt, don't let that be the end of their story. Use this DIY gardening hack to restore their beauty and enjoy a longer-lasting floral display. Keep your garden vibrant, eco-friendly, and budget-conscious, all while celebrating the natural allure of roses. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!